Suppose you have a one material and one vendor. Using that material and vendor and provide the net price 500 and give all the necessity data, you create a PO. Suppose again when you try to create a new PO using that same material and same vendor, that time you have to no need to give the net price. This time the 500 price which is you give previously in the previous PO, that 500 amount come automatically. This is the small things you have to mark, guys. I show you a example. Let's see. First we go to the ME purchase order scheme /N ME 21N. Okay. Here I give a new vendor and new material. Okay. For that I create a new vendor. For creating a new vendor, the T code is /NXK01. Here I give my company code. My company code is 555. Give purchase organization, and here I give my account group. Okay, this is vendor. Now click on enter, then give the title. Here provide the vendor name Satyam Traders. Suppose you can give any name. Here give country IN, region 18, give all the necessity field. The 3R57, I give street here, give postal 7578001 and give city. Okay, then click on enter and again enter. Reconciliation account give 16 4 times 0 and cash management group A1. Okay, enter, give currency INR, give terms of payment 0001, enter and save it. My vendor is ready now. Okay. Likewise, you have to create a material as well. Okay. But I open a new notepad for you guys. Notepad. See, this is my vendor. I already create a material. I take that one only. This is my material. Using this material and vendor, I create a PO. Now /NME21N. Here I give first my vendor. This is my vendor. Then here I give purchase organization. Then company code. And then I copy 2923 is my material. 2923. Then give PO quantity. Suppose I give 10. Give delivery date 26. Give plant 5555. Now click on enter. See, this time the net price will not come. We have to forget to give purchase group. See, net price we have to give this manually. Okay, so now I give my net price, suppose 500 rupee. Enter this PO. Now click on check icon, enter and save it. Okay, this PO is ready now. Now again I want to create a new PO using same material and same vendor /NME21N. I again take the same material, the same vendor, sorry, and same material as well, 2923. Okay, I give same material. Here purchasing organization I give, then company code I gave company code as well. Then I gave PO quantity 10 suppose. Then I gave delivery date, then I gave plant 555, but this time you have to no need to give net price, still it come automatically. See, 500. So this is the basic difference which one I explained earlier. Our PO is ready now. Thank you guys.